Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name's Ailey. Today it's just going to be quite a quick video actually, I think. Basically what I wanted to show you was how to get bomb lashes without falsies, because I know I can never be bothered sitting here and gluing on false lashes, and to be honest, if I did do it all the time, I'd never be able to afford to anyway. So there is a little trick that I have that can be used that, I mean, I have reasonable lashes anyway, but this is basically how I make my lashes look really, really big. And because I'm a beauty therapist, people always ask me, are those my natural lashes? So I'm going to zoom you in and we're going to see how I do it together. And yeah, I hope you enjoy. For this trick, you need an eyelash curler. You need a really, really good, even if it's really clumpy, volumizing mascara. You need something that's really gonna add some volume. I have the Lash Paradise. This is the Paradise Ecstatic. This is the one we have in the UK, and you need a mascara that's really good at separating, that gives you could do with one that gives you length, but one that's like really good at separating out your lashes. That is like the biggest thing that I would say, and I have the Benefit Roller Lash for that. The other one that I found really good for this was the Benefit They're Real Lash Primer. I don't actually have it anymore. I think I finished it, but I know that it's a primer. It's supposed to go on before the Benefit They're Real, but I always found that if you put on Benefits They're Real and then put on the lash primer, it took away all the clumpiness and it was amazing. Anyway, I said this video was going to be short, so basically what we're going to do, we're going to curl our lashes. Okay, oh, lashes are curled. We're going to take our mascaras. I'm going to do my bottom mascara first. This doesn't really apply to bottom mascara, to be honest. I have quite long lower lashes anyway, so I take my clumpy mascara. As you can see, big wand, it really is, it is annoyingly clumpy. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I am going to coat the shiz out of my lashes, and what I tend to do is I always blink through it, because I know that some people avoid blinking into it because it does help, but it totally clumps up your lashes. So there you go, the shiz. But they're looking really clumpy, so I'm going to take, and this sometimes does take a little bit of work, I'm taking the back end of my Benefit Roller Lash and I am sort of like you could probably do this with a lash comb, but with a lash comb you're going to take off the product. You're not going to, you know, keep all that product on there. You're going to kind of pull it off. This is sort of keeping it all on and keeping them nice and thick. Basically I just finesse them. Is that the right word? I just sort of play with them until I kind of separate them out. And if you keep doing that as it's drying, they sort of stay like that. I was just determined to make this combination work one day, and that's how I discovered this. So I just keep going at it. It does take a little bit longer to do my mascara, but I just keep going until it feels sort of dry. There you have it. Make sure and get it right out to the edges and pull your edge lashes out and get in at those little inner lashes. So that is your comparison. These lashes don't have anything on them, and these ones have the sort of two coat method. I really should have worn, or I should have done this video when I wasn't wearing kind of a dark eye look, but okay. So on this side I went like a little bit more ham. And you can probably see the difference. They are a little bit clumpy though, so like people who don't really like clumpy lashes at all would hate this. But, I mean, I can even feel the difference on this side. So that is like the technique. This is the technique on steroids. So yeah, that is pretty much it. I'm hoping this video is going to be really nice and short and sweet, but that is just a kind of nice and quick and easy way to make your lashes kind of stand out, even though you're not wearing falsies. Even just, I mean, you might not be able to see them, but you know, it kind of deepens up your eyes and gives you that sort of false lash effect. a mascara with a really good wand that kind of will separate and stuff like that. I love, this is my favourite everyday mascara, I love it. And a mascara that's really, really clumpy. I love this mascara, but I don't think I could wear it on its own. So you need two mascaras. You can get more affordable versions than this, you know, obviously, because this does make up to one quite expensive mascara. But I got this for £12 and I got this for 10, so that's like £22, and it's better than any mascara that I have ever tried in my life. I'm not sure of any alternatives, but anything with a wand, I'd say it's more in the wand than it is the mascara. Anything with a wand that is a little rubber wand and has sort of kind of, you know, little bristles on it that doesn't kind of call for masses and masses of volume will work. So yeah, if you try out this trick, let me know how you got on with it, and I really hope you enjoyed it. Like I say, just kind of like a wee short tip. I was doing it the other day and I thought, I haven't told anybody about this, I don't think. I say that I do use two mascaras in most of my tutorials, but I don't think I've ever explained why. So yeah, that is pretty much it. If you enjoyed this video, I would love, love, love if you would give it a thumbs up for me, because it really does help, and subscribe to my channel, obviously, if you like my content at all. Don't forget to check the little bell so you're notified every time I upload. I do post videos every Monday, Wednesday and Friday, so hopefully I will see you in the next one.